Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. So I thought we start this year with a challenge, and we're doing squat challenge. We're doing 100 reps of squats, 5 different variations and 20 repetition for each of the variations. So follow along as we go through this whole challenge. So let's get to it. If you're new here on the channel, yes, my name is Abigail Ekwe, and I make fitness videos like this one that you're just about watching. So consider subscribing and turn on the bell beside it, just that small bell there. That way you get updated when I post videos. And don't forget to let me know what you think of the exercise in the comment section. What video do you want to see more? Let me know in the comment section. So guys, let's just begin this workout. Sorry guys for the lighting condition of this video. I struggled with setting up my lighting to be really accurate, but obviously it didn't work. But I just had to record the video like this because I had planned for this video to get it up today. So pardon me, for subsequent videos will be better. So first I started off with just a warm-up. I'm doing a squat pause here, and basically what you just want to do here is just to squat down and don't let your knee pass your toe. Then try to do a squat pause and make sure that your butt muscle, you try to squeeze the butt muscle while you're pausing at this point. Just pause for like 20 to 30 seconds, or if you can make it up to a minute, that's fine. Then I also was doing a frog squat, but a very slow one here. So the first squat here is a basic squat, and basically you go down to like you want to sit on a chair, and on coming up you push through your heels. Then make sure your knee doesn't pass your toe. On the top you try to squeeze those butt muscles. Depending on how you want the feel to be, you can widen your leg or also keep your leg on a very close format. Keep it on a close format will make you feel it more on the quad, and when you widen it out, you feel it more on the butt muscles. So next one here, we're doing overhead squats. And this is a variation of a squat, but it makes it more challenging and more intense. Basically what you want to do is just grab any bottle and hold it to your top, straighten out your arms and keep your back straight on going down to a squat, and make sure that your stomach is just flat. Keep your arms straight on top with the bottle. You're holding the bottle because you want your hands to be straight. This is making it more challenging to perform. So repeat 20 of this. Next one, we're doing a squat with oblique twist. This is one of the fun one. I love this one actually. So what you're doing here is just to come down to a squat, and when you squat down, on coming up, halfway to coming up, twist your body to each side and then go back to a squat. On coming up again, twist to the opposite direction. So you keep performing this move, and this works both your butt and then it helps to reduce the waist size. Next one, we're doing a jump squat. So basically this is a kind of it's incorporating cardio to your workouts for fat burn on other body parts, at the same time strengthening the butt muscle and your leg generally. So you're just jumping up first, then you come down, squat down. On coming up and jumping, squeeze the butt muscle, and when you're coming up, also push through your heels. Stretch out those hands to the front, or you can actually just swing it to the back on jumping up and then go down, move it to the front. So this, you can just do the jump whichever way it's convenient for you, but jumping off the ground and coming down to a squat. Next one, we're doing a squat with a hip abduction. Yes, this is one of my favorite because you know I have hip dips. I make a lot of hip dip exercises here, so this is one of my #1 hip dip workout in terms of squat level. So what you do, you just squat down and then come up, squat again, and coming up, do a hip abduction for me. Just raise off one of the legs to the side, extend it to the side, and bring it back down to the floor and squat down. Go up again, come down to a squat, then come up and raise the opposite leg to a hip abduction, close it, bring it down, and squat. So repeat this movement 20 times. So guys, that is the end of this video. Just do the challenge, and you need to do this nothing more than 4 times in a week. Don't do it every day, else you're going to be burning out those muscles. And remember to take protein. That is what will help your muscle grow and get bigger. And also, don't also forget to drink a lot of water. These are very, very important. And if you have your options, take minerals, vitamins, and vitamin B, C, and then you also need vitamin D and E. So just take those and add up to your workout. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section, and if you're new here on the channel, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.